It's been over 1 year of trying naturally and you're not able to conceive. You visit a fertility specialist, she does a lot of tests and tells you that it is unexplained infertility. Dear friends, I'm Dr. Prachi Banara, infertility consultant in Gurgaon. Let's understand what is unexplained infertility. When we have done a lot of tests on you and your partner, we have done a transvaginal scan to check the uterine factors, we have done a test to document ovulation, we have done a semen analysis, and we have also checked your fallopian tubes. But still, everything is normal and you cannot conceive. This is unexplained infertility. WHO says that 30% cases are due to the female partner, 30% are due to the male partner, and remaining 40% are unexplained. Let's in today's video understand what can be the most probable causes of unexplained infertility. Unexplained infertility is usually at microscopic level, which cannot be detected by test. Number one cause of unexplained infertility is tuboperitoneal relationship, which means that the relationship of the fallopian tubes with the ovary is a little distorted due to adhesions or inflammation, due to which the fallopian tube is not able to grab the ovary. यूजुअली हमारी ओवरीज एक विकेट कीपर समान काम करती हैं और ये अपने मूवमेंट से अंडे को अपने अंदर ले लेती हैं। अगर यहाँ पे अडेजन्स हैं, इन्फ्लेमेशन है, तो ये एक्शन ऑफ रिट्रीविंग द एग्स कैन नॉट हैपन and can lead to unexplained infertility. Number two cause is uterocervical factors. कभी-कभी हमारे सर्विक्स की पोजीशन या हमारे सर्विक्स में कुछ ऐसा म्यूकस जिसमें एंटीबॉडीज प्रेजेंट हो, उनकी वजह से sperms are destroyed in the cervix and sperms are not able to travel inside the uterus and reach the fallopian tube. Number three cause is the outer covering of the egg is sometimes so hard that the sperm is not able to secrete a chemical and dissolve this outer layer. अगर ये outer layer सख्त है, तो sperm अंडे के पास तो आ जाएंगे, but the sperm is not able to penetrate the egg and hence there is formation of no baby in the fallopian tube. Number four, and one of the very important factor of unexplained infertility is poorly timed intercourse. प्रेगनेंसी होने के लिए जरूरी है जिस समय औरत के शरीर में ओव्यूलेशन हो रहा है उस समय इंटरकोर्स किया जाए। हमेशा ओव्यूलेशन एक स्पेसिफिक डेट पे नहीं होता और इस कारण से we miss the timing of ovulation and hence poorly timed intercourse can also lead to unexplained infertility. Now let's understand how can we treat unexplained infertility. सबसे important parameter है lifestyle modification. Quitting all substances which can lead to addiction, like too much of alcohol, too much of smoking, too much of recreational drugs, too much of sugar can lead to unexplained infertility. It is very important that we quit these factors, have a balanced diet, exercise at least 30 minutes daily, and also reduce the amount of caffeine intake. सेकेंडली, जब आप एक फर्टिलिटी स्पेशलिस्ट से मिलते हैं, फर्टिलिटी स्पेशलिस्ट आपको कुछ ओव्यूलेशन इंडक्शन की ड्रग्स देती हैं। ये 5 दिन तक चलती हैं। उसके बाद फॉलिकुलर मॉनिटरिंग यानी कि मॉनिटरिंग ऑफ द ग्रोथ ऑफ द फॉलिकल हैपेंस इन एन अल्ट्रासाउंड एंड जिस समय ओव्यूलेशन हो रहा है उस समय यू आर एडवाइज्ड टू बी टुगेदर एंड दिस way we can reduce the poorly timed intercourse. Sometimes due to cervical factor infertility, we can advise IUI. IUI is a process when the woman is ovulating. We take the partner's semen sample, process that sample in the lab. We remove all the impurities, dead sperm और इस highly motile sperm sample को यूट्रस के अंदर directly instill किया जाता है जिसको बोलते हैं IUI. IUI can ensure perfect timing and can also help in mild sperm factor infertility. It can also help in cervical factor infertility. अगर IUI करने के बावजूद भी प्रेगनेंसी कंसीव नहीं हो रही है then we have to opt for an IVF cycle. IVF में औरत के शरीर से अंडे बाहर निकाल लिए जाते हैं, अंडों को खुद से छीला जाता है जिसका नाम है डेन्यूडेशन, एंड स्पर्म्स को डायरेक्टली अंडे के अंदर डाल दिया जाता है। इस प्रोसेस को इक्सी बोलते हैं। IVF इक्सी कैन हेल्प इन एम्ब्रियो फॉर्मेशन, और ये एम्ब्रियो डायरेक्टली यूट्रस के अंदर डाल दिया जाता है। सो IVF इक्सी इज अ प्रोसेस in which the work of the tube is done in the lab. So if you are not conceiving naturally and diagnosed to be with unexplained infertility, the first step is ovulation induction and timed intercourse. The second step is doing an IUI, and the third and final step is IVF ICSI. So friends, do not worry. Fertility is still possible. You can still become parents. Just you need the right treatment and the right advice. Thank you.